Whoa, whoa, stop scrolling, back up the hay wagon. Let me show you our slab milling solution designed just for small shops and hobbyists. This is the Crafted Elements trim router sled. Now, unlike our larger full-size router sleds, this guy is designed specifically for, you guessed it, trim routers. Now, using your trim router with this sled is going to give you the ability to level, plane, mill pieces of wood, small tables, charcuterie boards, cookies. Anything made out of wood or wooden resin is going to be no match for your router and this sled to get it flat and level. This kit includes our custom machined pre-drilled router base plate that's going to accommodate the late model routers from most major brands. It also includes all the hardware you need, the rails, the crossbars, everything except the router, the base to mount it, and your router bit. Now you might be thinking, why not just use a box planer? I've got one over here in my shop, as you can see, but generally they only do up to 12 inches in width, so kind of limits you to the stock and projects you can put through them, plus they aren't cheap either. The Crafted Elements trim router sled has a 36 by 32 inch footprint, and it will mill slabs and pieces up to 24 inches wide. Now, it will do up to 27 inches in length without having to shift your workpiece. If you have anything longer, you would do it in sections up to a virtually unlimited length. Now, 24-inch planers run well into 5 figures, but the Crafted Elements router sled kit works with your existing router and router bits. Now, our trim router sled kits are ridiculously easy to assemble, and they're designed using industrial grade 20mm linear motion components often found in industrial automation and CNC machines. Now, if you're looking to do big projects, we do have larger size, full-size sleds at craftedelements.com, up to 12 feet long and 5 feet wide. But for most weekend woodshop warriors and small shops and hobbyists, this is a ticket. Takes up little shop space, it's relatively inexpensive, and it's very easy to use. Now, if you want to learn more about the Crafted Elements trim router sled, you can go to craftedelements.com, or you can click on that button below, or you can stick around for a few minutes and watch me level this resin wood cookie. Well, that bad boy is leveled. I mean, it's pretty easy. I did 3 different passes there. Generally, you want to take off a 1/16 inch or less per pass. This is ready for finishing, sanding, and a finishing coat of whatever you want to use. Now, if you want to put one of these to work in your own small shop or garage, head over to craftedelements.com now, or click on that button below to learn about our trim router sled or potentially our full-size router sleds. Thanks for watching, and happy making.